Today we're using the Tricho series 3-step treatment program for our scalp. So in particular we're using a balance range which is designed for any skin or scalp condition that is associated with dry conditions. So we're going to start first of all by using the cleanser. So with our cleanser we want to make sure we use about a 20-cent piece and we apply this directly to the scalp. And the beauty of this formula is that it is paraben and sulfate free, so it's very gentle and safe to use, long term, and it's not going to affect your colour, your perm or any services you've had in the salon. So we do one initial shampoo to make sure we remove all the debris from the hair and the scalp, and then we rinse and repeat. And the second shampoo, we leave that on for 3 to 5 minutes. So by leaving the cleanser on for 3 to 5 minutes, you're controlling the bacteria that is found on the skin. Therefore, you will be able to stop any flaking type symptoms. So once your 3 to 5 minutes is up on that second cleanse, we just rinse really well to make sure all the suds are out of the hair. And then we apply our balance conditioner. So we use a 50-cent piece for our conditioner and we apply this directly to the scalp, making sure that we really rub it into those areas of concern to really moisturise and soothe any of those areas where the scalp is quite dry. We need to make sure we leave the conditioner on for at least 5 minutes. This is helping to detangle the hair, also to soothe an irritated scalp and relieve the redness. Now I'm going to explain our step 3, which is our toner, which is a leave-on scalp treatment. And this treatment can be applied numerous times throughout the day, and it's there to stop the itching or break any itching habits, relieve the redness and help break down that build-up of scale. And so simply by applying this, you just open the nozzle, all right, and you part your hair, and you're just running the product along your part and then you're dabbing it into the skin. And so what you'll feel is that the product will trickle down your scalp, okay, and you just pat it so that it absorbs into the skin. The beauty of this treatment is that it can be applied throughout the day several times, so it evaporates very fast and won't ruin your style.